Welcome to the world of baking, where simplicity meets deliciousness. Imagine a fluffy vanilla sponge cake, light and airy, made using just a few pantry ingredients. Today we're diving into a recipe so simple that anyone can be a baker in less than a flash, without the daunting tools of the trade. Picture a bright kitchen, warm smiles, and the enticing aroma of freshly baked cake wafting through the air. Let's make this vision a reality. To begin, gather your ingredients: a drinkable yogurt cup, sugar, baking powder, all-purpose flour, and salt. Picture a vibrant countertop where each ingredient awaits its moment to shine, ready to create magic. As you combine these simple components, the transformation begins. Yogurt becomes the cake's heart, while sugar adds sweetness. Visualize the creamy mixture melding together as you whisk it lightly. No need for heavy equipment, just the joy of hands-on mixing. Next, sprinkle in the magic that will cause your cake to rise: baking powder and salt. Imagine those little granules bursting into action as the heat from the microwave works its wonders. Now slowly introduce the flour, envisioning each scoop cascading into the bowl, making the batter dense yet light. A few diligent whisks merge these elements to create a velvety mixture, free of lumps and full of potential. Pour this delightful batter into a greased mug or bowl, where it will confidently rise as it cooks. Think of the soft, fluffy cake forming inside, transforming from liquid to luscious sponge in just a matter of minutes. Set the microwave timer and prepare for the anticipation that fills the space. The delightful sounds of baking, a moment of patience before the delicious reveal. As the minutes pass, your kitchen transforms into a subtle bakery. The warm notes of vanilla begin to fill the air, stirring up excitement and memories of every sugary delight you've ever enjoyed. Now picture the moment when you finally unleash the creation from the microwave, revealing a perfectly risen golden sponge cake. It's not just a treat, it's a testament to the joy that comes from creating with simplicity in mind. Ready to indulge. Slice a piece and savor the lightness of this sponge cake, a perfect vessel for any topping. Whether it be a drizzle of chocolate, a layer of frosting, or a dusting of powdered sugar, the options are endless. Each bite is a celebration, a reminder that baking can be effortless and incredibly rewarding. So let's embrace the joy of baking together and lift our spirits with this delightful vanilla sponge cake. Everyone can be a baker today.